Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to share my top 5 favorite vintage Louis Vuitton picks for you this year for your collection. Hi, my name is Abby. If you're new here, I share fashion, handbag review videos, what's in my bag, all that good luxury handbag stuff. So if you're interested in that type of content, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. You guys subscribing changes everything. All right, friends. So today we're going to be talking about, like I said, the top 5 Louis Vuitton vintage pieces that I would choose for your collection. Now, I just want to go ahead and preface this by saying it's always changing. I do like new things at different times, some newer bags, some vintage bags, and sometimes just the style of bag that you're using day to day can change, or your preferences based on time of year, etc. So my preferences do change a little bit from time to time, but I wanted to pick these top 5 because these are bags that I've gone to over and over again over the years. Even when I've sold my bags out of my collection, I have repurchased them and always enjoy using them. So the first one I wanted to go ahead and cover is one that I've talked about many of times. It is the Noe GM. This bag from Louis Vuitton, you can get in the petite version or the GM. So if you do like a little bit smaller of a bag, you can size that down. Or if you prefer an even smaller bag, you can go down to one of the mini sizes they have as well. So my favorite is the Noe GM personally, because you can carry so much in it. It's a great size tote option. The carry is comfortable. Overall, the bag has always been a favorite in my collection, and I've used it, like I said, time and time again. Even when I've sold the bag out of my collection because I was just done using it at that time, I've always repurchased it and absolutely loved it. And so that was my first pick for you guys, is the Noe GM. Like I said, the petite is a really good option as well, and that was something I really enjoyed too. Or if you just are a smaller bag type person, you could go with like the mini. So the next one and my pick for you is something, again, you've probably seen in my other videos or heard me reference to, but that would be the Louis Vuitton Orsay clutch. Oh my goodness. When I say this is a favorite in my collection, it doesn't even compare. So this bag has been a favorite for date nights, for a catch-all. The Orsay is a really good bag if you want to have a clutch or something to be able to carry, even if like that carry-all or the clutch, catch-all, any of that type of stuff, it's a really great option. Now, the Orsay has been super versatile for me because I've even used it when I had a diaper bag with little ones, or if I was needing an extra, amount of stuff for my agenda or a pen case, or even traveling, you could use it as your toiletry bag. It is such a great piece for your collection. And like I said, I've found myself using it just time and time again. So I would definitely recommend an Orsay as well. The third option I picked for you guys is the Louis Vuitton Sac Weekender PM. Now this bag, guys, is a little underrated in my opinion, but if you're looking for that perfect go-to bag that has, water resistance capabilities, the zip closure, all that good stuff, the Sac Weekender PM is a great option. Now, they also came out with a Sac Weekender GM. However, that style is quite a bit different. Not only size, but it also doesn't have the zip closure for the top, which was one of my picks for the Sac Weekender because it is so great in all weather. So the Sac Weekender PM would be my choice for that one as well in your collection. And it is just a super easy bag to use. The downside is you can't really find it in other prints. It was the monogram and that treated leather. So do keep that in mind as well. The other bag I picked for you guys, this bag is one of my all-time favorite crossbodies, even before the Pochette Métis was released. But I'm going to say the other option I have for you guys is the Monceau. So number 4 would be the Louis Vuitton Vintage Monceau. This bag is adorable. In person, in pictures, it just doesn't do it justice. When you see it in person, it is absolutely stunning. I love the monogram print and the treated leather. Again, a little bit more carefree, but that chocolatey, milk chocolatey brown color with it just looks amazing. But then you also have the option of other prints and patterns for it. The epi leather is one of my favorite as well. So whether you get the size 26 or you want to size up a little bit and get the 28, either one I think are great options for your collection. This piece is so great for your collection because it can not only be dressed up, but you can dress it down a little bit. Super versatile. Either way. So if you have a date night or an event you're going to, it is such a classy piece and you could definitely wear it to that, or you could dress it down a little bit and wear it on the weekends and you'd be good as well. So the Monceau would be my option. Again, 26 or 28, both sizes are great. You can't go wrong either way. I do love that the strap is removable and you can add your favorite crossbody strap to that as well. So that would be my number 4 pick. Number 5, I want to share with you number 5, but then I also have a bonus one for you guys. So number 5, this is a bag that I had used at different times in life when I was using larger tote bags more frequently. And I found myself using it all the time. And then when I kind of stepped back from using tote bags, I sold it and didn't really think much about it. And then when I purchased another one, because I was like, I really regret selling that and I missed using it, I fell in love with it all over again. So that bag, the number 5 pick, is a Louis Vuitton Pellaro GM. So I know this is like borderline vintage, not quite vintage, but I would say it is a little bit more underrated than I would give it credit for. So this bag is so comfortable to carry. If you're needing that large work bag or mom bag, this is a great option, you guys. These shoulder straps are adjustable, plenty of room inside, zipper closure. It hits all, just hits all the check boxes. So absolutely love the Pellaro GM, but like I said, it's not super vintage yet. It was more of an '08 bag, so it's just right on the brim of being a vintage piece, but I would definitely recommend that bag for you as well. If you're looking for a great large tote option that's comfortable to carry, that would be one of my top picks for you. Now, the bonus bag I'm going to add in here is because it's a little bit different of a carry. So if you're not a tote bag, crossbody, or clutch, but you're looking to add something else to your collection, the Gange bag. I would recommend the Gange bag if you're looking for that bum bag style, a little bit more of a crossbody, but the Gange bag offers a really good fit, that it's super comfortable, it pivots really well, and it fits a lot of different body frames. So that's gonna be my bonus number 6 bag for you if you're looking for a little bit different of a carry than these other pieces. But like I said, these are such classic pieces and you cannot go wrong with them as well. So, what about the Speedy or Alma? I would say those are awesome selections as well for your collection. There are so many more I could suggest to you as well. But I was just wanting to give you guys some options for things that are very durable, things that are universally, like you can use them in different types of your wardrobe. So if you're dressing up or dressing down or different, times that you're using them, like if you need that catch-all or if you need that date night bag, any of those things, that's really what I wanted to focus on in today's video. But like I said, there's so many more classic pieces we could name, so many more great bags. But today, these are my top picks for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys prefer any of these? Have you used any of them? Let me know. I love hearing from you all. And thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you subscribe down below, it helps support this channel and I greatly appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.